Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to fix missing downloaded files on Steam. To fix missing downloaded files on Steam, follow these easy steps. Open Steam. Launch the Steam client on your Windows PC. Go to Library. Click on the Library tab to open or view your games. Right-click the affected game. Locate the game with missing files, then right-click it and choose Properties. Go to Installed Files tab. In the Properties window, click on Installed Files. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan the game for missing or corrupted files. Wait for verification to complete. Allow Steam to complete the file verification and automatically download any missing or corrupted files. Restart Steam. Close Steam completely and reopen it to refresh the game library. Relaunch the game. Open and play the game again to check if the missing files have been restored and the game is working properly. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.